Alright guys, so over the weekend I put some new fuel in the cat eye. It is running better, way better. So I did find the registration in here in 2012. That's the last registration of the truck, okay? So that's been a long time. That fuel is really old. I did put a new fuel pump in it a while back. That was before I decided to be posting videos about it online. Anyway, what I want to share with you guys today is we did try to vacuum it up. We found a lot of dead animals in here, like rotten bones and flesh and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be removing completely all of the seats, the carpet. Now the carpet is so nasty, I got curious whether I can power wash and get it cleaned up. I will not be using it back in the truck, but I just want to do a video about cleaning it up. Anyway, so we have a misfire, and the misfire I thought was on cylinder 7 and cylinder 2. I took a look at that. I have good spark. I believe it's my injectors from sitting, so I'm gonna go get some more really good fuel, and then I'm gonna put some additive in there to clean out the crud out of those injectors. I think the truck just needs to run a little while longer, get it up to temp. Otherwise, stay tuned. Thank you for coming along. Here we